Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to check Porkbun domain availability. So step number 1, go to the Porkbun website, open your web browser and navigate to porkbun.com. Look for the search bar, which is typically found under a heading like search for your new domain name on the homepage. Type the domain you want to search in the search bar. Click the magnifying glass or press the enter to start the search for your desired domain. The page will then display whether your domain is available or not. If you'll see a plus dash sign or a similar button to add the domain to your cart, if it is unavailable, the search will likely recommend alternative top level domains or suggest similar domains according to Founder Pal. If the domain is available, select the plus sign to add it to your shopping cart and click the checkout button to begin the registration process and complete your purchase. That's it. Thanks for watching.